Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to do eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, this side is not the same as this side. On this side I used a dual lash glue, and on this side I used a normal eyebrow pencil. Without much ado guys, let's go straight into the video. Okay guys, so the first tool you need is called a spoolie. If you don't have this, you can use a mascara brush. The second one is an eyebrow pencil. I'm using Davis in shade number 3. You need your foundation, then you need a concealer. For today's tutorial guys, I'm going to use a dual lash glue as well. And please note, it's a clear lash glue. Don't use the dark tone glue. Then you need a brush. Make sure it's an angled brush. Don't use a fluffy brush. What a spoolie does, it helps to put your eyebrows in shape before you line them. So make sure you brush in your brows before lining them. After you're done brushing your eyebrows, go ahead and line. And make sure guys you do in light strokes so that the eyebrow looks more natural. And for beginners, please do not use a black eye pencil. And guys, when lining your upper side, just leave a little space so that it looks more natural. And guys, if you're keen, I did not fill in with the eyebrow pencil. Yes, I just outlined, but I didn't fill in. Yeah, so what we're going to do guys, we're going to fill inside using a dual clear lash glue. Guys, you can use this lash glue. If you don't have, you can use a clear bar soap. Then you use a flat surface to press in. You can see how much of difference this technique makes. You can always go back with your eyebrow pencil to fill in where you feel like there is no hair, or where you feel like there is space. Just use your brow pencil to fill in. After that guys, you start cleaning your eyebrows. I'm gonna use concealer, and make sure the concealer is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I'll start by cleaning the lower side of my brows. I'm using a Legal Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. and as you blend, drag the concealer down so that it's easier to blend after. When it comes to cleaning your upper side, kindly use your foundation, especially for beginners. Use a foundation that matches your skin tone. Kindly use little product. Don't use too much product so that it's easy to blend. So guys, on this side I'm going to use eyebrow pencil. I'm going to fill in using the same. And let me know if you can note the difference in the comment section below. I'll be here to read your comments kama kawaida. If you don't have enough hair like me, you can fill in hair-like structures. Use less force so that they look natural. So I'll do the same this side. I will go in with my concealer to clean up my brows. I think by now you can note the difference. The one that I used eyelash glue looks very visible and natural than the one that I used eyebrow pencil to fill in. Both techniques are good, so you can choose which one to go for. That's it for our eyebrow tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. See you in my next video. Bye.